Hello, I'm Scott.
And I'm Kaveh.
Welcome to another episode of Dental Shorts. Have you ever wondered how to digitally design and mill a flexible bite splint? Today, in the next minute or two, we are going to show you how.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go through the steps of the design. You will start with defining insertion direction and then blocking out the undercut. You can modify the undercut amount of undercut if you want to. Then you will use the virtual articulator in order to recreate the jaw movement and also opening up the bite. Later on you will define your borderline as you desire. Cross the arch by clicking and dragging the line, and later on you will use the popular and practical sculpting tool of exocad. It will allow you to add and remove material and also smoothing the area as you want. And well, as all of you know, the optimum goal would be to create as much a flat surface as possible and have even contact points all across the arch. That would be the purpose.
Hey guys, all right, hello, we're back. We're here at the mill. Would you like to tell them what you did, Kaveh, after the design?
So we finished the design and then we nested the design object into the puck, and then we calculated the tool path, and now the C file is ready to be milled.
Okay,
Let's
great.
do this.
So we're gonna go ahead and put it in an imes-icore 350i mill using the 0-point clamping system. And we're ready to go. That's the action.
Hey everyone, welcome
Hey guys, all right, welcome back. So Kaveh polished up the splint, and we've got it fitted to a polyjet model. You can see the very, very good accuracy and precision. It's a very tight fit to that model, so that's what we like to see. The other thing to point out is the thermoflex-like property of this material. We're gonna pull it out of warm water here, and we notice that just like a thermoflex bite splint, we have an extreme amount of flexibility. This is a digitally milled product with superior properties to PMMA.
Yeah, it's clear, it's flexible, and it's biocompatible.
Yeah, all the things that we want in a digitally milled splint. So, thanks for tuning in and watching us digitally design, digitally mill this dental product. We hope you learned something, and until next time, keep smiling.